Are you wondering how to simultaneously bulk up your muscles and shed excess fat? Well, you're not alone. Many folks online seem to think it's an either-or situation: bulk to build muscle or cut to lose fat. But let's challenge that notion. Traditionally, bodybuilding lore suggested you bulk up with surplus calories, then trim down for competition. However, recent research paints a different picture. A study from 2013 by Garth and colleagues revealed that overfeeding subjects by 600 extra calories per day didn't significantly increase muscle gain, but it did lead to 3 times more fat gain. So, of that extra bulk came from fat. Now, not knocking cutting and bulking entirely. In certain circumstances, they make sense. Last year, I embarked on a hefty bulk myself, which I called bear mode. If you want to pack on muscle and strength rapidly, a bigger caloric surplus can help. But here's the kicker: more muscle gain often means more fat gain too. And not everyone wants that. But fear not, it's entirely possible to build muscle without a massive surplus, or even without any surplus at all. Why? Because muscle and fat tissue are separate systems. Now, some may argue that building muscle while losing fat is only practical in specific niche scenarios. But I believe these scenarios are more common than they seem. In fact, body recomposition, aka building muscle and losing fat simultaneously, is a realistic goal for nearly everyone. Let's break it down. 1. New lifters. Beginners are primed for muscle growth, and their bodies can tap into stored fat for energy while building muscle with basic resistance training. 2. Overweight individuals. Those with ample fat reserves can eat at a deficit and still fuel muscle growth. 3. Detrained individuals. Thanks to muscle memory, folks who were previously fit but took a break from training can rebuild muscle quickly, facilitating recomposition. 4. Anabolic steroid users. While not recommended, steroids can expedite muscle gain, often drawing energy from fat stores. But here's the clincher: even if you don't fall into one of these categories, recomposition is still feasible. Many gym-goers maybe even you fit into one of these groups without realizing it. To achieve body recomposition, follow these steps. 1. Prioritize training. Progressive resistance training is key. No amount of perfect nutrition can replace a lack of effort in the gym. 2. Establish your primary goal. Decide whether you're focusing on building muscle or losing fat. 3. Adjust your caloric intake. Aim for maintenance calories, with a slight surplus for muscle building or a slight deficit for fat loss. 4. Set macronutrient targets. Protein is crucial for muscle growth, so tailor your intake accordingly. 5. Pay attention to the details. Sleep, stress management, and nutrient timing all play vital roles in optimizing your body's composition. Remember, body recomposition isn't just for elite athletes, it's achievable for everyday folks too. So, whether you're a newbie lifter or a seasoned gym-goer, consider giving recomposition a shot. With the right approach, you can build muscle and lose fat simultaneously, sculpting the physique you desire. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.